In this question, we are given the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals 2/3 x minus 5. What we're going to do first is identify the slope and the y-intercept, and then use the two steps that are listed on the left-hand side of the screen of how to graph using the y-intercept and the slope. So our equation is y is equal to 2/3 x minus 5. The slope will be 2/3. When we start graphing, that means we will rise 2 and run 3. The y-intercept is the constant or the number by itself, and that is a minus 5 or a negative 5. Now let's go ahead and graph. How to graph using slope-intercept form says we'll plot the y-intercept first and then use the slope to plot additional points. So first I'm going to find the y-intercept of negative 5 on the y-axis. The y-axis is the vertical axis and negative 5 is just 5 below. Then I'm going to use the slope of 2/3. Remember, slope stands for rise over run. So that means I'm going to rise 2 and run 3. So from my y-intercept at negative 5, I will start there. I'm going to rise 2, so I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and then run 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to continue this line by starting at the point I just plotted and continue that same pattern. Rise 2, 1, 2, run 3 to the right. 1, 2, 3. Once you have your points, you just connect them using a straight edge or making your line as straight as you can, and you're done.